is what you'll need for my take on Singapore noodles. I'm going with king prawns, but you could go with any meat that you really like. Vermicelli rice noodles, some garlic, ginger, a chilli pepper, then veg. I mean, again, you could use what veg you like. I'm going with mushrooms, bell pepper, a carrot, spring onions. Then for a bit of sauce, we're going with sweet chilli sauce, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, rice wine vinegar. If you haven't got rice wine vinegar, just use white wine vinegar, some chilli powder and turmeric. First thing we're going to do is just make a nice little sauce for it. So sweet chilli sauce, tablespoon. Same for your oyster sauce, tablespoon. Soy sauce, tablespoon of that. And last but not least, tablespoon of your rice wine vinegar. Get that mixed up and then put that to one side. Next thing we're going to do, get all your veg washed and scrubbed and ready, and then get it chopped up. Starting with your spring onions, cut them at an angle. Next, onto the carrot. If it's a big one like that, chop it into pieces, and then, unless you've got ninja chopping skills, use a mandolin, because we want to turn the carrots into little matchstick size, something like that. Next, it's on with your pepper. Best way I've found of de-seeding, get your two thumbs, press them in, and then rip it in half and get those thrown in the bin. Then just cut it into slices, turn them round and chop them into little pieces. Next, I'm going to turn my attention to the chilli pepper, top and tail it, and then I like to keep my chilli peppers in little circles, so I'm going to chop them first and then I'll de-seed them. Get your circles first and then just take out all the seeds. Same thing with your mushrooms, get them peeled, and then I like to chop them into little bits. They're perfect for stir-fry type dishes. Next, we're going to grate a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Alright, it's a fat thumb, but get that grated rather than cut up. And lastly, a couple of garlic cloves. With your veg prepped, it's time to get your noodles, see how long they take cooking, and get them on the stove. With your noodles on, time to heat some oil up in your wok or pan, whatever you're using. I'm using walnut oil. You can use any nut oil. If you haven't got any nut oil, just use whatever veg oil you've got available. And then it's in with all your prepared veg apart from your mushrooms. A couple of minutes to fry. And your veg have had a couple of minutes on high heat. Time to go in with your mushrooms. And we've had a couple of minutes. Time to go in with the sauce that you made from earlier. A couple of minutes to cook through. With your sauce cooking away nicely, time to go in with a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of chilli powder. If you don't like it too hot, don't put a teaspoon in. Just put whatever you feel you can cope with. Get them stirred in, and we're going to give them another couple of minutes just to release the flavours of the powders. And lastly, you're going in with your cooked prawns. Again, Give them a couple of minutes just to heat them through, really, because they're already cooked. Lastly, drain off your noodles and get them in there. And then give them a good stir. And you're ready to serve.